See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, you don't hear before say they no go debit your account. They no go debit your account. They go debit too. For wetin I see now, they go debit. Wetin I see now from Lagos State, but it's applicable to all the states. For tax where they owe, you want meander, you want dey intelligent. They say bank will be instructed, or anybody where they owe you where supposed pay money, whether na ten to customer, anybody they fit instruct am. What they instruct them na instantly. They are meant to debit you instantly. Whether na 1 million, 2 million, 20 naira, anything. Now what's for you? So now person tag me with this guy's post. Make I show you. See, Kalwaja, read this. I no go analyze again. We learn together. Okay? Now just to analyze, I don't get anything against that. Just to analyze for my followers in Lagos. You can see now public notice. Because now public notice, me say we fit read that. No be document where they don't fit read for public. Wetin I don't do now, I don't copy everything so that you go see it because the document is tiny. It dey everywhere for printer. So you can see Lagos State Government public notice. The couple the reference number. You can see power of substitution pursuant to section 60 of the Nigeria Tax Administration Act 2025. Okay, section 60. Now they won't use talk to you so. Now they talk. Okay. Now Lagos State Internal Revenue Service (LRRS) issued this public notice to inform the general public, generale publique, that is Francais, particularly employers, financial institutions, business operators, and tax agents of the provision of section 16 of the Nigeria Tax Administration Act 2025 NTAA 2025 relating to the power of substitution vested in the relevant tax authority. I know say some people no go understand so no go use PG break down. What did they talk to me say? This session where they that tax bill, that place, that section 60 talk say tax authority get power to instruct anybody where they help you owe money, where supposed to pay you, where they owe you. In case you no want pay your tax, in case you the owe tax no want pay, they fit instruct them to pay. And once they instruct them, you go pay. Oh, continue. Background. Everything we had to read are from that document. I copy them line by line. So you can see the NTAA 2025 empowers. They are telling you what to give them the power. It's like they say person, may they go buy am because you buy person. Now law give power to person where walk by you, and government say buy am or hang am. Very important. Hey, they don't write time for tax collection. They say that section empower Lagos State Internal Revenue Service to direct anyone where they hold your money for you, okay? Or person where they owe you money, where they owe you basic, okay? A taxpayer who has failed to pay and establish final liability. The money where you're supposed to pay for your tax, you failed to pay the money. Are you a taxpayer? Who is a taxpayer? Person where they earn money for a country, okay? And this money where they owe, you don't do. They go instruct whoever that is helping you to keep the money, to remit such money to the service, that is the Lagos Tax Authority, in settlement or partial settlement. Maybe you don't get all. Instead of 500k where they owe, they see only 200k, okay, debit them. No, no, 300k can remain the balance. Of the outstanding tax, the power of the substitution is a lawful collection mechanism. Now the way we fit collect the money, no be say the first way, go and pay. Use your head, go pay. You no pay. We still get another mechanism to pass your back, go collect them. The design and put for inside the law to ensure efficient recovery of unpaid taxes, including personal income tax. Oh, the tax is 20% on the share from 15 to 25, though capital gains tax for your investment like treasury bills, like MMF, fixed deposits, stamp duties with all the taxes administered by LRRS. Legal basis. They call code section. Section 60 Nigeria Tax Administration Act 2025. Wait to go discuss this and get issue with this. So when I get issue with something, I still go discuss that. As you can see, this tax when they also they read down, they say now section 60 they read 60. This section 60, we want to read that from. Remember that video we do yesterday. They say it they available before this bill. It not called they available because many mago where they do put after they pass on now say that they investigate them. Abi. So therefore, they say you know they available. Now only una call they read what you already know, say the TBAB. If these people won't come go buy the same document, read the guideline, where they will see and buy read. Because you know the military rule. We're in a democracy. What we say, the law where they read, where they operate, they inform everybody. So every other person, and I don't know whether this one they bad. every other person should also have access to the law. But they say no, they are available. So why be saying now only you call it and call it tell us? I'm not opposing it. I'm just saying the way it is they run for other places where I don't stay before. As they read, I they read. And like Bible, pastor they read, say open this session. But now only you call they read the Bible. Nobody they access them because listen again.
We have more than 40 regulations, guidelines, and public notices that have been finalized. But we can't release a single one of them because we're still waiting for what is the final version of the Gazette. You know why? Because the Act Authentication Act says whatever the government printer publishes is the evidence of the law that was passed. That government printer published something which we shared, and we said this is the official version. Lawmakers said it's not what they passed. So they said they would do their own gazette. They set up their committee, they did their own review, they did their own gazette. They sent me a copy, soft copy. But that's not what the Authentication Act says. So I sent my staff, go to government printer and go and buy. They went there as of last week, they said it's not ready, that they should wait. So I also told everybody, the NRS, GRB, you to wait, because we can't issue guidelines when we are not 100% certain that this is the final official position. I called my staff this morning, I said, go back there, be following up every day, go there, don't call them, go and sit down there. And I got feedback as I was here that says that, I don't even know whether I should say this one because I don't know what the press will report. But in the interest of accountability and transparency, so my staff told me that they said everything that they printed, the National Assembly collected from them and said they shouldn't sell to anyone, that they want to complete their review. While that is good, it also creates the uncertainty again.
Now, what happen be that? Even this lawmaker, where they investigate the fraud, where they say they commit inside the mago, they change many things, alter many things. He say, even the one they don't upload, when they don't upload, themselves couldn't access it. So we have considered read. Because now, as they help, they analyze this document. The best way to do now for me to go also copy that session, also break them down. See where they read. So my people, for my followers where they Lagos, I be not for only Lagos, so because even this thing where they talk, so other states will also do the same thing because they are using the same NTAA 2025. But the NTA 2025, the document no see they available. And my point be that.
Shem, it will interest you to note that before we even raised the alarm, some of our members did go to the Federal Ministry of Information and purchased a copy of the gazetted law, especially the Nigerian Tax Administration law. But by the time this issue was raised on the floor of the House, I think December 16 or thereabouts, we went back the next day to Federal Ministry of Information and they weren't selling. So when you say the one in circulation, I doubt if there's anyone even in circulation, because if it's in circulation, it should be available to the ordinary Nigerian. And then they went ahead, even in their portal, the fiscal reform portal, that they had uploaded the gazetted copy, the one that was doctored, they had to pull it down. You know, so some of these shenanigans easily point to one fact. Even Mr. President did agree in his statement on design.
Anyway, not in Nigeria, this is not really normal like that again. We run anyhow. We rugged out. According to them, where a taxpayer face, I don't go back to the document too, face neglect or refuses to settle any established outstanding tax liability when due. Listen very well. As you can see here, this is a very good statement. Established. The one we know they agree to now, forceful agreement. You say person they owe 10 million now. They try to prove am. Say like, instead of going to court, you say pay 20%. Oh, see yesterday before you carry me go court. Wetin I know how still pay before I carry go court. Because you get right to court pack my property or send letter like this without court order, without informing me. Now they discuss yesterday, and those also know like. But if it's established, they owe gbese to government, go and pay. We see truly we talk am. If it is established, it is your duty to go and pay what you owe to the government as per tax. People they pay since they do it since. So NIRS may exercise its power under section 60 to direct any of the following persons to pay the amount owned by the taxpayer. They go direct any of this, the amount where they owe. Who are these people where they go direct me they pay the money? If you know what pay, they go tell the bank where they put money. Say, Abiola, they owe us 10 million tax. I beg, check the account, debit. Employer of Emeka, no they pay PITO, the next salary pay to us. Tenant, your landlord and defaulter no give a next tenant money pay to us. Debtor, you dey owe Adamu, Adamu dey evade tax o. This letter will give you so. That money wey dey hold am. Are we go pay to? Be Okechukwu's customer, you go buy panel. Okay. Thank God say we arrive at the same time. How much panel you want buy? I go list it. I don't say okay, go say, I beg, no pay, testing, never get money. No, how much? And they buy panels, batteries worth of 50 million. He's owing us 40 million. Transfer to us, customers. Or the taxpayer where they do strong head. Agents, business partners, even your business partner where your money they hand, you can send a letter. As long as you know where your money they, you put that for inside rock. You go Morocco, go put that there. We feel like Morocco. And any person holding money on behalf of the taxpayer, any person owing money to the taxpayer, whether presently due or accruing, was a substitution notice. That letter where they go send, they call substitution notice. Since it not be paid by itself, you go substitute what you they owe for what is supposed to pay. No need to pay to us. It's issued. The person served. When they say personal, whether na bank or debtors or where they owe you, where they serve the letter, where government of Lagos State or other states serve the letter, is statutory required. Statutory, according to the law, you must not disobey. Required to remit to LRRS the amount specified in the notice from funds belonging to or payable to the defaulting taxpayer. The defaulting taxpayer, where go you with tax money, do 100 or 200, that's what they call that. You no call win. This if you win for them up now. Anytime we walk up, pay that 100, I beg. No execute. Transparent. The tax liability is deemed paid to the extent of the remittance made pursuant to the substitution. Failure to comply with such directive constitutes an offense under the act. So at the talk, all these type of things where empower them to collect tax. Now they shall say so. Then come make me call no fall in love with all these things. Remember, after I do all those videos, they explain tax. I say this thing where they empower like this, there should also be another concurrent bill that also empowers citizens to take action. We will not use the money, not them. They collect on behalf of the government, not be them. The government, when they refuse to do the right thing, there should be something. The way you are saying, it is required statutorily. You can't default. When we send you that letter, as a bank say, we send you letter say debit James 20M. You saw 21 million. They all since you don't have the right to debit. This type of things. Don't tell us go meet our governor. What do you want to meet the governor? Also write a bill for us. You understand? Now after all the man say, now just see this one, no be. Remember that here. Let me just remind you. Now to also do something. They also empower the citizens to demand accountability. Okay? Compliance requirements, obligations of banks and financial institutions. Upon receipt of a substitution notice, you bank, all banks and financial institutions are required to remit the stated amount to LRS without delay. Once you see the letter, debito, no even confirm. So without the talk, they don't also contact the owner of the account where they owe. Boom. Whether the person don't even carry money, won't go pay for that side. Maybe you don't get money for it. They drive a car. They go the place where go pay the money. When I don't send letter, maybe at the same time. How now come do it? Provide confirmation of compliance. You must provide confirmation saying you don't do it through the NRS e-tax platform. They can't give the link. Banks are also required to report the taxpayers' available balances of all the accounts where you get for different banks, and any encumbrances as may be requested. Be like say there's still another page, but only that page I see. Now don't see and so no hide the place. Now for everybody, every digger get report now. Whether you be PDP, Labour, APC, you know they follow any party, you know like politics, so you like politics, so you be APC support. No, it doesn't matter. Every citizen has any income in Nigeria. What do you think? Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.